Okay, so let's do the pound now, and that will be the last of the dollar pairs. And looking at last week, what we were planning, I mean, you can see that basically we had a couple of flips up and down based on the pound dollar, and right now there is no. Yeah, I can. But if I increase the sound, I want everybody to tell me that it's not too loud, because I want to make sure that the recording is right. Okay, guys, how is this? Yes, I know. I'm putting the screen up again. How is the sound now? Everybody is okay? All right, cool. Good. All right. So as I was saying, the pound is the second so far, the second strongest currency so far. So we have to be cautious about it. And as you can see here on the charts, this is the kind of volatility that we had. We were planning to buy it above the 157.06, which is the structure point. We didn't get it up there. It came back to the 155.33. It sold off, and then now it came back above the 155.33, and it closed the week at 155.59. This is as neutral as it gets. So what this gives us, it gives us a very clear selling point, which is the 155.33, and we may hope for again, we're looking at a noise again between those two ranges. So we want momentum, we want something that's giving us high speed, we want something that pays us, and therefore the pound dollar does not seem to be the one that's going to pay as much on the long side unless it gets above the 157.06, but it may pay as well on a trade below the 155.33. Okay, so if we're going to look at the intraday so we can see the move, as you can see now we have a very nice upward trend on the intraday right there, and it is sitting very much very nice, trying to give us like a small failure, if you will, over here. And I want you to see something on the chart. The ones, the turtles, and the ones that know how we identify a structural failure, you can see that where is the structural failure right now on this chart? Is right below the 155.33, and that, as you can see, was our selling point on the daily, which we identified on the daily. Now when we look to the intraday to try to find out our selling point, you can see that right inside the range, it just split the range in half yesterday, and it has held the market all day Friday. So any trade below the 155.33 should be a selling point, and it should be our structure point. But keep aware that around the big figure, around the 155, there is a congestion of several momentum lows and highs, but still you can take the short below the 155.33. On the buy side, buying the pound, basically we are going to follow the same set of rules. This is our gift, if you will, and if I have, there is a figure here which is the 156, and if it trades above the 156 and it's actually pushing higher, that would be a break of our gift, or should be our gift, and it will also be a break of the range. So I can start buying above the 156 level, and I'm looking, if it does break above the 156, I'm looking for a push towards the structure point of the 157.06. So we are going to buy this above the 156. I suggest, let's see, 156, and if we do buy it above the 156, which is right here, we're going to place our stop below the market side, which is going to be 156. Make it 65. I'm just putting 5 or 10 pips below the market side. So the market side is 155.79. So I'm just giving it 10 pips over here because this could be noise. So I'm using the 156.60. Let's leave it 156.60. And on the short side, we're going to go short below 155.33. It is also our structural short point, and it is also our stop. And that was the same plan as of last week. Okay, that is the pound dollar. Just again, buying above 156. Our structural long is 156, 157.60. Our stop is about 40 pips, 156.60. And on the short side, we're going to go short below the 155.33, which is our structural short and our stop.